I got my freaking keys. You know what the lady told me to say I need to do the electricity because I think it's pay as you go. I don't know why. And I need to sort that out before all of this cut off. So I'm in my new place. I'm gonna be living alone in a nice studio flat. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. It's gonna be a quick one because it's a studio flat. There's literally not that much to it. I realized though it's a furnished flat, and I was back and forth with them with removing some of the furniture, and they remove it, but now I'm gonna come it removed. So now I need to email them and make them know so I'm gonna come see it remove, so they don't think I'm the one who will remove it and I'm the one that's responsible for it. So I'll be doing that email as soon as I'm done giving you guys the tour. But here are my keys. It was really difficult for me to find it here. I got lost, but you know, at the first time. Anyways, let's give you guys a quick tour. It's just literally just me, so it's gonna be one of them ones. The door is here, and when you turn around, you have like this little gap. I have something perfect fitting on the gap there, and then you have like a wardrobe, which is really nice. So you have like you have like a couple drawers. So I have like, you know, enough storage for my clothes because I don't have much. I've had all of the clothes on my dashway in this move. And then here you have like another side as well, which goes up. I'm hoping that I can probably fit like suitcase up there and stuff. And you have down here as well. This doesn't really have like one of them thing, like one of these. That would have been good there, so I can store like jeans and stuff, but we'll figure it out. Anyways, that is this little corner here. When you come to this side, this is the bathroom. Such a nice bathroom. Like, let's turn the light on. That's not the light. Let me just turn on. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Honestly, like super cool. You have like a nice towel warmer here. It's shower. I'm definitely gonna be missing my bath, but it's such a huge shower. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Let me go inside of it and show you guys. Like, this is the shower. Like, it's literally like massive, like so massive. But yeah, that's the shower. I'm excited to use this when I'm washing my hair. Like, it's gonna be bomb. Like, wash days are gonna be really nice. And then you have like another mini one there. It's a standard shower, and you know, like these doors around here. Of course, you know, you have like your toilet, your sink, and you have like this huge storage thing here, which is like so nice. For like a studio, like the storage in the bathroom is really good. So I can put like my products there, like my perfumes and stuff. And then in this one as well, same thing. I did like throw away loads of products that I don't need, so I kind of have enough to like fit into this comfortably, which is like super good, you know. So yeah, that is the bathroom of my studio. I'm gonna have to get another basket because the basket that I have is quite open, and I think if I'm gonna store dirty clothes in the bathroom, I need something that's gonna close. I saw one in TK Maxx, but I didn't buy it at the time, and when I went back to get it, it was like gone. Anyways, come this side. I did ask them to remove the mattress off the bed because I already have my mattress, and because the place come furnished, they wouldn't remove the whole bed itself. So I try and get as much as I can get removed as possible. And like I said, there was a coffee table, there was a TV stand that I asked them to remove, and they said no, but now that I come into the room, it's not here, but we'll sort that out. I'll let them know that it's gone. And thank you very much for doing that, because otherwise I'll have double. Anyways, you have like this massive space here. I was thinking to put my desk here, but now I don't know. It's gonna probably be too cramped with the side table, but then I can even push the bed over a little bit more. Then you have like another side table there. Like, honestly guys, the bed is really not that bad. It's just that stain there, if you can see. I can't see it with my real light, but I can see it on the camera. So tomorrow in daylight we'll have a look at that. And this is the internet, which I need to call them. I'm probably going to take this off the wall if it can come off the wall, because that way I can at least push the bed over a little bit more so I have more space like that side. But yeah, the bed also have like storage as well, which is really cool. I can like store my stuff in there, and you have like two there, and two around the other side as well. So really excited about that. Also, you have like, you know, these two massive windows which give like loads of light, because I came here in the daytime, view that, and it's super cool. So over here is my living room area, and I have this blue couch. I'm gonna have to work around the blue couch, so if you guys have any idea at all, I haven't even sit in it, if you guys have any idea at all, please leave them down in the comment section below as to how we can decorate this. But that is the blue couch, and you know, radiator, whatnot. I have like my TV stand, and I asked them if I could put the TV on the wall. They said that there's something that it's not gonna hold up the TV properly, so no, basically. So yeah, it's a decent space for like the living room area, which is so nice. Very excited about those, and they're really good blinds up there as well. Sometimes when you move into places, like if you those ugly blinds, these are actually really cool. But yeah, excited to decorate this. Let me just give you guys a spin again. So living room area, and then you have like the bed there. I'm gonna have to work. I've been literally watching so much videos, guys. I'm gonna have to work and see how I can like divide the space so it feel like separate spaces rather than like a big, you know, box, because you know it's like a studio, so you feel like you're in one space, but also you can separate it. And yeah, so this is basically it, and I'm gonna show you like one of my favorite part, like out from the bathroom. I'm gonna show you like one of my favorite part. Yeah, you ready? This thing right here. Whoa, already I mash up things. Let me lock the door then. Anyways, this is the kitchen. The lovely lady has lined out everything for me there that I need to sort out. So for the next couple of days, I'm gonna be calling these companies to sort out bills. But anyways, before we get into that, like this is the kitchen area, which is like super nice. That's the fridge. They've defrosted the fridge. They kind of left it open just so it doesn't smell. So tomorrow I'm gonna plug it in, because like I said, pay as you go electricity. I forgot to tap it up because the woman said £1 upon it, and the light then probably will come out, so I need to do it ASAP. Anyways, we have loads of cupboard space. When I did the viewing, I did not look into these cupboards. I literally just say, yeah, I like the flat, give it to me. So cupboard space underneath the sink. We're gonna organize underneath there with like cleaning products and stuff really nicely. And in here is the washer dryer unit, which is super nice. And then we have like the stove here, and then the oven, of course. And then you have like up here, let me take out my paper them out of the way. Up here you have like induction hob. My last place we have induction hob as well, so I kind of have like pots and pans all ready for that. The only thing is with this flat, you can see the paperwork there, that's literally the only counter space, and also here as well. So I'm gonna have to keep the counters like absolutely clean from like any clutter or anything. And then you kind of have like this one here for like your, you know, your cutlery and utensils. You have like another drawer as well. They're really long drawers, so you can hold a lot. And then this as well, maybe for like your pots and pan. I noticed that there's no bin. In the OPS they have like an under bin, so I'm gonna probably have to get like a bin for the flat. And of course you guys see the fridge there. I don't know, what is this? I think this is like a smart reader. Yeah, that's the smart reader. And underneath here there are some spotlights, which I think is really nice. I'm gonna turn on that. Let's see what is. Oh, that's for the fridge. Oh, interesting. What is? Oh. Demir turn on something. Yeah, we'll figure that out. But yeah, we have like spotlights here, spotlights underneath there as well. And we have loads of counter space here for like my plates and stuff. I did bought some new plates, so I'm gonna donate the other ones tomorrow. And then more counter space as well. Like literally guys, there's so much counter space for just me. and I'm so excited, like for my food, for my plates. So I can probably store like my food in here. I'm probably not gonna buy that much food because I don't want them spoil. And the fridge is a full-size fridge, and the freezer as well. They've cleaned all of that, and then same like the last place, it has like storage up there. Like the whole kitchen setup is basically similar like the last place. Only thing with the last place, it has like more counter space. So yeah, this is it. And you actually have like a little mini one over here where we can probably put like my vitamins and stuff. I literally have like so much storage. So basically I am just very excited for this place, and I'm just so happy, honestly. I know for my next move I wanted to live by myself, and I had to make it happen, and this is it. This is me making it happen. And the place is like super warm. The man they are looking at my house. I have to go learn for a lot more window them and not be out like naked. Anyways, so yeah, I had to make it happen. And yeah, I don't remember what I'm gonna say. I just lost my train of thoughts. Tomorrow I will be moving. My dad is gonna come help me move all my stuff. So I'm just really excited, and I just can't wait to, you know, bring you guys on the journey of me decorating and stuff. And if you have any ideas at all, I'm sure I'm gonna be vlogging. So please subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any ideas of, you know, how I can turn stuff around, I'll show you the place. Let me actually give you like an overview actually. One second. So that huge space there is like the couch was turned that way, and I kind of turn it this way just now because I think that it kind of separates, you know, the bed from like here. So, and then my TV, my coffee table is going to be there. I was thinking to put like another chair here, kind of close off the space from the kitchen that's here. So yeah, and then the closet space as well, which I think can fit majority of my stuff, along with like these drawers and stuff. I'm going to be utilizing some of these drawers for like my nail stuff, my hair stuff, and of course bathroom. You guys seen. So I'm so excited. Anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog here. If you want to see more of this home thing, please make sure to follow me on my subscribe to my channel and follow me over in TikTok, because more likely that's where I'm going to be posting stuff first. So follow me there, and you know, just come on a journey with me on good sis, because yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna try and figure out, do some adulting bits now, because I'm gonna need to go back at the old place, go finish pack. I'm probably gonna go out tonight as well, because at the old packing, I just want to leave the place and just go somewhere because I don't want to deal with it. But at the same time, I kind of have to. Anyways, I'm rambling now, guys. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.